Hello students, this is Vinod from Endurance Engineering Academy. So from Endurance Engineering Academy, we are planning for a workshop, gate related to gate. See, for whom this workshop is going to be useful, you may be a present college student, or you may be a student who have passed out recently, okay, or you are an engineering graduate who are working, okay, presently. But if you have a plan, either to do masters from IIT, masters or PhD from IIT, or you have a plan to get a job from PSU such as IOCL, HPCL, NLC, CPCL, or BARC, or ISRO, etc. Or you have a plan, like as I already given you this BARC and ISRO, nation's pride research institutes such as BARC, ISRO, and BARC, ISRO, and DRDO, etc. If you have any of this plan in your mind, like you are having the plan, but you don't know how to start, or you don't know what to do, okay, then this workshop is going to be useful for you. I will be explaining each and everything to you from zero, okay, from scratch, what you need to do and what are all the things you need to take care of, okay, how you can plan your preparation. Everything will be dealt in this workshop, okay. So if you are interested, you can attend the workshop in this Sunday, 15th January, and the time is going to be between 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. The workshop is going to be free. The workshop will happen in Zoom, okay. So Zoom link will be shared to the students who register for it. It's a free workshop, but the thing is you need to register for it. How can you register? There are two steps. First step is there will be one WhatsApp group in the description. Join in the WhatsApp group. Second thing is there will be one form. There will be one Google form. Fill that Google form. So those who register for the workshop, they only will able to able to attend the session, because we have some around 300 members restriction in Zoom. Okay, I hope you guys know that. I'm not sure why they given this restriction, but around 300 students only can attend the session, attend a single session. So there will be like we need to know how many number of students who are planning to attend. Okay, if suppose it crosses 300, then we will be trying to go for any other streaming platform. So that is why. So join in the WhatsApp group and fill the form, so that the link will be shared to you, okay. And if you are having any difficulties, you can contact us, okay. This number or this number, you can contact us. We will guide you through, okay. And now this is all about the workshop, right? Like where to start, and all the details will be done in the workshop. We have online and offline courses also for GATE. And coming to offline batch, we have started it for GATE ME, XE, and PA only. And if you are interested, you can check our demos. You can visit, and you can visit our institute also. Our institute was in Chennai, and offline batch is starting from 23rd Jan. Okay. And online batch, regarding the details of the online batch also, we'll be making a separate video. Okay, that also started for both GATE 2024 and GATE 2025. And again, for offline, we have GATE Mechanical, and as usual, GATE Mechanical XC, majorly for GATE Mechanical and XC, and also for PA. Okay, so now coming to this video's concern, if you want to register for the GATE workshop, join in the WhatsApp group, and then there will be a form. Fill the form. Okay, thank you.